So, good afternoon, all. Today I am going to recite one story. The marketing words is a powerful. This way, this I am going to read it. It will take maybe 5-6 minutes. In arranged marriage, here, when we go to see a girl, one question is almost fixed by default. What does the boy do? लड़का क्या करता है? Bhura's family went to see a girl for him. After tea, snacks, and small talk in the drawing room were over, the girl's father slowly brought up the main topic. So, what work does your son do currently? Bhura's father adjusted his glasses, cleared his throat, and started a full corporate style presentation. तरीके से बताता है ऐसे करके. लुक आर भूरा इज नहीं, उसके पापा बताते हैं. लुक सुनिएगा, देखिएगा. आर भूरा इज करंटली द फाउंडर एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ एन एग्रो वेस्ट डायरेक्ट टू कंज्यूमर स्टार्टअप. We deal in organic health and wellness sector. Hearing this, the girl's father was already half impressed. Wow, so what exactly is your product? Bhura's father continued confidently. Our main portfolio consists of high protein roasted legumes and traditional caramelized sweets. We source raw materials directly from the wholesale supply chain, then dry roast them in our own thermal processing unit. And the biggest highlight is that our packaging is 100% eco-friendly and biodegradable. यही मार्केटिंग शुरू हो गई. चलिए आगे कहानी सुनाते हैं. The girl's family was amazed hearing all this. It sounded like big MNC company, multinational company. The girl's uncle could not resist asking, so where is your company's main office? So, and how many employees do you have? Without getting nervous at all, Bhura's father replied, look, this is the era of modern lean startups, so we avoid unnecessary expenses like shop rent and electricity bill. We have a mobile retail outlet which shifts its location daily depending on traffic and public footfall, and the entire operation is handled by my son alone. He is a solopreneur. कितना गजब जवाब दिया. आगे पढ़ते हैं. Now the girl's father was completely confused. He felt this English was beyond his understanding. I hope my English is not beyond your understanding. Okay, so one more minute. So he said, I didn't quite understand this marketing language. Could you explain in simple terms what exactly the boy does? At that moment, the boy's close friend sitting in the corner spoke softly. हाँ, दोस्त के मतलब दूल्हे होने वाले दूल्हे के साथ दोस्त भी जाते हैं, तो वो दोस्त बोला. अंकल, what he means is that our brother runs a roadside cart and highly selling peanut, roasted chickpeas and revdi. He roasts chickpeas in sand in a pan and serves them to consumer and folded newspapers packets, which these people call biodegradable packaging. Hearing this, the girl's father almost dropped his teacup in shock. झटका लग गया. 420 वोल्ट का झटका है ना. सो ब्रदर्स, द मैजिक ऑफ मार्केटिंग वर्ड्स इज पावरफुल थिंग. इफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, इवन अ पीनट एंड चिकपी कार्ट कैन साउंड लाइक अ कॉर्पोरेट स्टार्टअप. अब मैं आपको इसमें सीख बताना चाहूँगा कि सीख क्या मिली. थोड़ा सा चित्र भी बता दें. देखिए ये चित्र है, हम देख पा रहे होंगे. ये होता है, इससे सीख ये मिली कि अगर आपको अपने शब्दों को, अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना आता है, खुद की मार्केटिंग करना आता है, तो आप भले ही ठेला लगाए हो, बेच रहे हो, बस तरीके से मार्केटिंग की गए हो ना, तो माहौल सेट हो जाएगा. लोग समझ लेंगे आप जो कह रहे हो वही सही है. पर असलियत क्या है ये तो भगवान ही जानते हैं, वो व्यक्ति जानता है. असलियत ये है कि ये ठेला लगाते हैं, मूँगफली बेचते हैं, फिर भी क्या कहते हैं कि बायोडिग्रेडेबल, मतलब न्यूज़पेपर में बना के मूँगफली बेच रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसको अपलोड करते हैं शाम तक. जय श्री राम, बाय बाय.